Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the African babe. It's a beautiful day. The sun is up, but you know what guys, I thought it's about time I got to show you the Westlands Square. This is the home to Sarit Center, Westgate Mall, Dusit D2. There is also Villa Rosa, Kempinski. So guys, come along with me. Don't get tired of my videos. I want to say thank you so much for the massive love that you've been showing me. I really appreciate it. We are almost close to my goals, and I am just out of words to say thank you. So kindly, if you've not subscribed, feel the urge to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for always watching and coming back. Don't forget to comment, leave me a sweet comment, tell me how I can better my videos, let me know what you think down below in the comment section, and also give this video a like. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. The reason why today I'm not giving out so much information is because I have done another video about Westlands. I'm going to link it down below in the description. So kindly, if you want to find out information about Westlands, you should go and check that video out. So guys, this is the side of Westlands where it borders Parklands. I'm also going to show you the Wayakiwe side so that we can see the ongoing construction, how far they've gone. And yeah, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. So guys, now I want to show you Westlands from the Waiyaki side. As I told you, I want to show you the update on the construction of the expressway, which is meant to link Westlands to JKIA. So guys, I also want to show you this skyline from this side. As you can see, they have these buildings. Villa Rosa is just here, but I'm not sure whether we're going to see it. As you can see, the construction is undergoing. So guys, this expressway project is very critical piece of infrastructure because it is a link between east of the country and west. Apparently the project will be extended all the way to Machakos. So guys, I can't wait for it to be done because the Nairobi skyline will be mad. It's gonna look so good. This road is being done by China Road and Ridge Corporation. Actually, I love it. Like, they're moving fast, unlike Waiyaki, which has been there for years, and apparently, oh god, I don't even want to talk about that. So as you can see, those are the constructors. They're at work, they're doing their job, and let's just wait for it to be done. Then I'll do a video once it's done to show you how it's going to look like. Okay guys? So that is the update guys about the construction. I don't know much about construction, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the face of Westlands. I can't wait for it to be done. Then we're gonna do another video of how it's gonna be once everything is completed. So guys, if you liked this video, kindly consider subscribing to my channel and joining the African gang, because over here it's so much fun, positivity and good vibes. And I want to thank all my subscribers who watch and always come back to watch my videos. Thank you so much, you mean the world to me. And also don't forget to share to your friends so that they can join the African gang. Until my next video guys, I love you all so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye.